Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply promo code on Tinder. So let's get started. So now here we are on Tinder, and then from here what we're gonna do to apply the promo code is that you want to go into your profile first. So you want to tap on your profile on the bottom menu right here, and then from here tap on the gear icon or settings icon, and from here scroll all the way down until you would see this right here. So you scroll up right here in the select membership. So if it is a select code that is applicable here in the select membership, you can just tap on enter unlock code, and then you can just type the code right here. But if it's for Tinder in general, then what you can do is that you can go into your browser, and then from here go into tinder.com, and then once you're here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see the promo code right here. As you can see right here under FAQ, you can see the promo code, and then just tap on that. And then all you have to do now is basically just type the promo code that you have right here. Make sure to double check everything that you are typing the right code. So the reason that I am going here into the browser instead of the Tinder app right here is because it's not easily accessible here in Tinder app. So it's better if you go into the browser, go into tinder.com, and from here go and enter your promo code. But if it's much better if you log in into your account first before you type out that code, so that it would be applied to your account. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.